it's Angie and welcome to another OHM Beads BBQ unboxing. Now my friend Nicole at My Pretty Charmed Life did already unbox this surprise bead, but this is such an incredible iconic bead from OHM Beads that I just had to film it myself because I know it's going to be so much fun. And as you can see, the packaging is just over the top cute. It's this adorable little OHM teddy bear, and the packaging actually is the teddy bear. So let's take a look inside. This will be a spoiler. If you don't want to know, don't watch, but if you do want to see how this bead arrives, just keep watching and we will unbox it together. Now, I think I wanted the teddy bear just as much as I wanted the bead, because how cute is that? And there he is. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. And there's a little surprise in this box. We have the tag Hug Me 2.0 by OHM Beads. Now a BBQ bead is a big bead quarterly. It's a larger sized bead and it's custom made. So you order it and they make it for you and it's yours forever. So that's pretty fun. Now I already know the surprise of where the bead is, and it's actually inside the teddy bear. So how cute is that? And I think this is where you have to go in and get him. Let's see if I can feel it. I do think it's in there somewhere. So once you cut up your bear, then you use this box to sew him up again, and you get this little sewing kit, which is so cute. Let's take a look what's inside. This packaging is always so much fun. So I guess I can choose how to sew him up again with these bobbins of wool and little tiny scissors, and then you get a couple big needles to sew him up with. So as much as I hate to do it, I'm gonna have to cut him open to get the bead out. And I did watch Nicole do this and it kind of broke my heart, but I've got to do what you got to do. So let's go ahead and cut the thread. It would be nice to just get the end of it and unthread it, but I don't think that's gonna work. All right, here goes the surgery. See if I can just pull it out. No, he's got some serious knots in there. These are some real like surgical stitches, so I'll keep filming, but I am probably going to have to speed this up to get through this part. Wow, they're in there good. Now I realize why Nicole struggled. It's not easy. I remember watching her video going, well, just cut that thread, it should open right up, but I don't know, I got some tricky sewing in here. Like there's even stitches inside. My goodness. Poor Teddy. Poor Teddy. Oh, it's funny. I can feel it. All right, I think we got it. I think we got it. Here we go. I'm sorry, Teddy. Oh my gosh. All this stuffing's coming out. I will sew you up after. He will be a definite mascot for my OHM home here. And oh, there he is. There's my little Hug Me 2.0. And the backstory about this is so sweet. He's so loved that he's a bit tattered and stitched, so his eyeball is coming out and his little foot is dangling. It can be worn as a pendant or on a bracelet. Let me zoom in here so you can see all those details. He is adorable. Let's take a look at the back. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the absolutely adorable Hug Me 2.0, a BBQ from OHM Beads. And now I think I have some sewing to do.